I'll never forget the day my friend Steve called me up one day when I was driving home from my job. It was perfect timing. You see, I had just gotten laid off and was starting to panic. Questions like these below started racing through my head. How would I be able to afford my rent? How would I be able to feed my children? What is going to happen when I can't pay my auto loan anymore? While Steve was trying to tell me about this website he found, I wasn't really paying attention, until something he said caught my ear, and suddenly I focused in on what he was saying. I made $2,320 last week using this website I found, he said. I managed to stutter out. What? How? Then, he went on to explain how this website explains step by step how to make money online working for companies that regularly hire people to do stuff from home. After he said this, I felt a little bit disappointed. You see, I'm not very good with computers or tech savvy. Steve reassured me that it didn't matter, because their guides and videos explained everything, even for a total newbie like myself. I decided to give it a try, hoping that I could just make a little bit of money until I found another job. Here I am 1 year later, and I never found another job. But that's because I didn't need one. I found so much work on this website, that I started making more money doing this than I ever did at my old job as a manager of a restaurant. I'm telling you about this, because I believe in paying it forward, just like Steve did for me. If you're struggling to pay the bills, or simply just want a little bit of side income, you need to check this website out as soon as you can. I don't know how much longer they will be accepting new people, so you had better check it out now if you can. Just click the link below to get started.